Morning, everybody. We're on I-55 southbound in California. Left the truck stop about 6 a.m. this morning. About 120 miles, well, 112 now, we're going to Wilmington, California, which is, I guess, a community of Los Angeles. When you type it in, like in Google Maps, it says Wilmington, Los Angeles. You know, it has Los Angeles as part of it, so I assume it's just kind of a community within Los Angeles. I mean, I've looked at where it's at. It's obviously so that's where we're headed. Hopefully no Black Friday craziness today. I think we're gonna have a busy day. They sent me a pre-plan, which meant, you know, what they have in mind for me next. And it has three pickups on it in California, so I'm assuming it's produce. It's generally how that works. We got produce from 3 different spots, and then it goes to Iowa. So we'll see about that. I didn't accept it yet. I didn't deny it. I didn't accept it. I just kind of left it alone. I'll talk to my driving manager when he gets in this morning. I was just concerned about time, having time, you know, 'cause I love myself a lot of time here to get into the city, because I don't know what that's going to be about. And so we'll see. It should be fine. I'm not opposed to the load. It's not 3 pickups is a lot, but it's not nothing crazy, you know. My trainer, when he told me that when he was out here one time, he had 7 pickups. 7. It's crazy.